Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I want to talk about the AA ignition replacement coil pack that's going to fit a variety of Honda and Acura models with the 1.5, 1.6, 1.8, 2.2, and 2.3 liter engines. So let me go ahead and open the packaging and we can take this coil pack out and take a look at it. So this ignition coil pack actually installs inside of the distributor in your Honda or Acura. Couple things I want to point out about this is this ignition coil actually uses the updated thread-in connectors. So if your particular vehicle has the spade connectors that come off, what you'll want to do is you'll want to cut those spade connectors off, change them to ring terminals, and screw them directly into here. The reason Honda changed that is the spade connectors, they corrode, they vibrate, they come loose. By switching it to a screw connection, it becomes a whole lot more stable. So here's the back side of the ignition coil. You can see some of the ignition coil construction here, and then this is actually a protective shell on it, and the two mounting screws for the ignition coil are right over here. And like I mentioned earlier, this installs within the distributor.